Big Pharma made $3.2 billion last year selling you sleep pills.
Here's what they don't tell you. These pills make your insomnia worse over time. They destroy your natural sleep architecture. Your brain becomes chemically dependent.
You can't sleep without them anymore. That's not medicine, that's addiction.
I'm Dr. Meow. I fixed my chronic insomnia in 7 days without a single pill.
No melatonin, no prescriptions, just evidence-based science that actually works.
From exhausted zombie to sleeping like a babe. In 01 Nin week. Here's exactly how.
Step 1. Fix your circadian rhythm. This is the master clock controlling your sleep. Your body has a 24-hour internal clock. Light and darkness control it.
Blue light from screens destroys melatonin, your sleep hormone. That's why you can't fall asleep.
Solution: get 15 minutes of morning sunlight within 1 hour of waking up, every single day.
Step 2. Temperature control. Your body must cool down to fall asleep.
Your core temperature drops 2 degrees before sleep. Room temperature, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Pro hack. Take a cold shower 90 minutes before bed. It triggers rapid cooling.
Step 3. Caffeine curfew. This one's non-negotiable.
Caffeine has a 6-hour half-life. That 2 p.m. coffee? Still 50% active at bedtime.
The rule. ZERO caffeine after 2 p.m., not coffee.
Step 4. The wind-down ritual. This trains your brain that sleep is coming.
60 minutes before bed, dim the lights, turn off all screens, do something relaxing. Reading, meditation, stretching, journaling. Pick one. Do it every night, same time.
Step 5. Bedroom optimization. Your bedroom is a sleep sanctuary, not an office.
Blackout curtains. Cool temperature. No TV. No phone. Make it dark.
Step 6. Exercise timing. Working out is great for sleep, but timing matters. Exercise in the morning or afternoon? Perfect. 3 hours before bed, you're sabotaging yourself.
Step 7. Consistency is king. Same bedtime, same wake time, even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm loves predictability. Irregular sleep confuses your brain chemistry.
7 days. Follow all 7 steps. Your sleep will transform. I guarantee it.
Before, waking up 5 times a night, exhausted. After, 8 hours straight, energized.
No pills, no supplements, no gimmicks. Just science that actually works for your body.
You deserve real rest, not pharmaceutical dependency.
Dr. Meow, saving humans from themselves.